Applicable in many industries, a hybrid stepper motor offers exact speed control, precise positioning, and high accuracy of repetition. ELMEQ offers the following motor combinations: Directdrivesteppermotor, Geardrivesteppermotor, fully customized hybrid stepper motor, all featuring a long lifetime and low electric emission. Choose between many add-on options: special shaft, pulleys, cables, connectors, gearboxes, brakes, encoder, linear movement integrated electronic, assemblies, and much more. ELMEQ also offers logistics support and different stock options. You know your application, we know about motors. Let's join our forces. Contact us to find out more about our solutions. Contact elmeq.com. Mail to elmeq@elmeq.com. Phone 4545166363.